Alright, what's up everyone? We're going to backtest some data. I don't know how much we're going to do. This is 2023 of May. We might do a month of data, maybe a week or two. I don't know. We'll just see how we feel. Alright, so first I always go to like the daily time frame. It's going to be pretty in-depth too. Alright. I got this high. It's just like a swing high we have. What do we have? Unfilled daily fair value gap right here. Mark that out. Let's go to the 4-hour. 4-hour time frame, kind of consolidating, kind of pushed a bit down, but it's not any clear direction, kind of just nothing clear here, at least on the high time frame. So let's mark out the 4-hour unfilled fair value gap. You could say this is delivering from this order block right here, but not really relevant. It is delivering from an hour though. That is for me more relevant. And then we also have this swing low, just like a little intermediate low. It's delivering from a 1 hour. Mark that out. And then let's go down. 30 minute. Not much to see. Check 15, and then not much. Just go to 5. All right. This is 9. Okay, let's go 1 minute. This is 9:29. All right, so market opens right here. Okay. Check 15. See if there's anything. Not really. Swept out a intermediate high, you could say. Maybe we get a Judas. Again, we are delivering from an hourly, so. Can we tap this 5? No. There's like a 5 minute right here. You could say it's sponsored. Okay, tapped it. Rejection. Very fast rejection. And a 1 minute inversion. Should play. Yep. Put body. And then let's go. You have the intermediate low. And then you have the unfilled 4-hour right here. So that's your draw. 1.6 R. Take that. Market order that. You could go break even here. I'm going to go like at this right here. Let's see what happens. Okay, we edged it. That's fine. We have relative equal lows. That's almost better. Okay. Honestly, let's not go break even. Let's go like trail to here. Yeah, let's trail there. Because we just filled this 1 minute, so that should hold. But if we want to like trail up a little bit, that's alright. Alright, yeah. Break even there. Took out the intermediate. Alright. Break even. That's alright. Could have taken full profit there. Just wanted, I was expecting that 4-hour to hit. That's alright. It's a break even trade. It's not a loss. That's okay. Let's just keep checking, see if there's anything else for the day. So we swept out that intermediate. Okay. Probably gotta tap the 4. We're probably gonna go back. Yeah, there's the 4-hour. So we tap the 4. I think we tap CE of it too. Check. Yeah, we tap CE. So if it wants to start rejecting from here, technically I would be able to do one more trade for the day, because if I do a break-even trade, I'm open for another trade. Let's see if it rejects. It's almost, oh, it's 10 a.m. Shoot. 10 a.m. open. It was all the way up here. Shoot. Totally missed that. 10 a.m. opened lower. So open low, high close. Hit a discounted 30 minute right here as well. So from here, I'd like to see a continuation. I wouldn't take the first inversion to the upside. Yeah, let's just see. Do have the daily still below, which is super clear. Yeah, it's probably gonna want that. Let's go back to the 1 hour. Okay, dealing from the 1 hour. Opening at 30 minutes soon. Opening at 15 minutes soon as well. See if we tap the daily. Could get like a mech model out of the daily to this unfilled 15. It's about to open. Have a 5. Is that about to open? Like a minute. Alright, let's check the 1 minute. Resweep maybe. Resweep. Okay, just chop fest. I don't even think of it inverse if I would take anything. It's just so, it's like catching a falling knife. Oh, that looks kind of good. No, it doesn't. Never mind. Okay, yeah, we're past 11. Alright, let's go to the next day. Alright. So that's a break in for first day. Could have been a dub, but a little greedy. It's alright. Where are we at? 7. Just get to 9:30, 8:45, 9, 9:15. Alright, 9:29. Alright, same thing. Let's go to the daily time frame. All right, we filled the daily, so if we're bullish, we should go back up. We have a previous day high right here. Let's go down to the 4 hour. Tap this 4 hour gap. Super discount one down here, but it's like not even worried about that. Intermediate low. Honestly, wouldn't care to see it go back to this. We do have this 4 hour in, so if this 4 hour holds, then I expect the daily to not hold, and then we'll probably push to here and then even lower. But if the daily continues to hold, then this 4 hour should be just not even a worry. Let's go 1 hour. Kind of choppy. Unfilled hourly all the way down here. 1 hour. How many points is that? Only 23 points. It's not far at all. Let's go 30 minute. Okay. Might guess we just get a CISD right here. Okay. I'd be willing to take shorts to the hourly before we continue higher, honestly, depending on how we react off of this 15 minute right here. Okay, we inverse 15 to the upside, but we continue to look bearish. Okay, yeah, let's just see what happens to market open. Okay. Going higher. Swept out the intermediate. Hit this order block right here. And hit the rejection wick right here as well. From there, we have crazy displacement. Honestly, accumulation, manipulation. If we get this 1 minute inversion, wouldn't like it. It's not ideal. Okay, I just don't. This candle is kind of weird, but would I take this? Yeah, I think I would. Let me just see. Let me see what the RR is. See if it's like valid. It's, realistically, it shouldn't go back up. It'd be like top of this candle. Target is this 119. Then don't need that much. Let's just go like these relatives. Yeah, I just feel like, all right, yeah, that's better. Let's go break even here, TP here, or actually like more like C of this. Let's go with that. The draw is the hourly, but we don't need the big move. Okay. That's, oof, you hate to see it. Let's just watch what happens. Yeah, we are dealing from a daily. That's, wow. Okay. Okay. Let's keep looking. Resweep. Okay, it's just a, what are we even doing now? In the 30 minute, pushing higher. This is the hourly. Okay. 3 minute right here. Let's see if we get like a 3 minute inversion. Okay. I'm gonna assume this inverses, so it's like kind of the way I trade. Because like if we have this closed right here, it's below CE. So basically, I'm gonna wait for like a retracement to give me more confirmation into like a lower time frame gap right here, and then based off of that, if that respects, then we'll enter. And then if it's before the next 3 minute close, that's all right with me because we got more confirmation. So that's what we're gonna wait for. Obviously, if we just get a horrible, just straight dump, that's okay. See again, we are already delivering from this 1 minute though. This could be honestly an early entry. Call me crazy. Let me just see one more candle. Okay. That is a 3 minute close. 3 minute close. Do we have 5 minute? No. Why do I feel like we need to retrace a little bit first? We're kind of just. Let's wait. Okay. It's alright. Be patient. CISD. Tapping this 1 minute right here. Let's see if rejection from it. None. Let's go back to 3 minute. Inside of 3, I have a super discounted 3 right here. There's no, oh, and we tap the 5. 5 and then wait for inverse off the 5. It's honestly ideal. Okay, let's clean up this chart. This chart just looks disgusting. Okay, we have the 5 right here. Let's go to 1, 3. Can have a 3 minute. Resweep. Oh wait, it's gonna be good. Resweep, 1 minute inversion. Yep. I love this. This is like really good. Okay, resweep, 1 minute inversion. You go break even at this unfilled 3 minute, and then you have this LR right here. We can just target here. Could go honestly way lower, but just target here. Market order. So it's 1 minute. Should play great. Okay, there's 3. Let's go break even there, and just you gotta hope it flushes. Flush. Yeah, bang. And let's see if it goes. Yep. Honestly, probably takes out the R swing low if you want to like hold it. Yeah, just kind of chopping. Yeah, ends up taking out this swing, and it's probably gonna go to the hourly right here to clean up. But who wants to sit through all that chop? Yeah, so much chop, but it's gonna probably get there. Yeah, doesn't even matter though. But if you wanted to sit through all this chop, you could have ended up like all the way with like almost a 4 hour. That's right. Okay, that's good. So we got a loss, and then we got a win. So that's cool. All right, let's go next day. All right, let's go next New York session. We start chart view. Just go 15-minute time. Okay, it's just 9, 9:15, 9:30. Yeah. Starting the daily. That's what we do. Okay. Kind of like this massive gap right here that we're inside of, and we're kind of rejecting. We're in a daily right now as well, right here, a bullish daily. We are below CE, and we're kind of continuing to reject. So if that's the case, could expect maybe this just kind of sell side liquidity in a sense. Let's go 4 hour. Yeah, pretty bearish. Delivering from 4 hours as well. All right, we have this. Just mark out this intermediate low. Almost guaranteed to get taken out. Not the cleanest on the 1 hour. It's kind of an imbalance, but it's fine. Probably a 30-minute gap we're delivering from 2. No. Maybe 15 minutes. Okay. Lower time frame honestly looks a bit more choppy, but kind of creating some like low resistance liquidity right here, but it's intermediate low, and it's like sell side kind of expected right now. Is what I'm expecting. Let's see though. All right, let's mark it open. See what happens. Okay. Dodging the intermediate. We're gonna now have relative equal lows at the intermediate. Just wait. Let's see. That's hitting the intermediate right there, 100%. Yeah, there's the intermediate. Delivering from the 4 hour. Let's see if we can get a continuation long down to that sell side. See if we can get like a 5. Yeah. So we just open up a 5 minute right here, and then it's rejecting 1 minute time frame. See, kind of creating like a little accumulation zone right here, and then manipulate up into the 5 minute, and then we're about to get a 1 minute inversion. Okay, we don't. We resweep, and we might even got a 5 minute inverse actually, which is not what we want. Okay, still rejects. 15 minute time frame. Oh, it's about to open a 15. That's a little scary. If we get an inversion right here on this, I don't even know if I'd take it. Ooh, that looks really good though. CISD right here, delivering from a 5, which the 5 is sponsored by this 4 hour all the way up here. We do have a 15 that just opened up, but that could just be a breakaway gap. And I think this LR leading up to this intermediate low, or basically sell side, is pretty clear. Yeah, I just really like the displacement here. There's no real inversion. There's technically a 1 minute gap here. What did I take this? Let me see. 15 point stop. You're fading a 15 minute. Okay. Sell side so far. What do we have? It's like intermediate. Intermediate low all the way down here. This low. Okay. Like that should be expected. I think for this is like not A+, but it's kind of like a discretion thing. So like usually on this type of play, I'm going break even at the bottom of like the low resistance liquidity that it creates, but I feel like the quality of this trade isn't as good because of the 15 minutes, so I'm going pretty early on my break even because I'd go break even here, and then if that just fails from there, it's probably gonna tap the 15 minute, gives us an our entry. But if not, probably plays, takes out here, takes us to that low. Yeah, we're probably gonna go to 15. Yeah, that's just, honestly, I'd be mad if I took that in real time, but did in backtesting, so learn, don't take those. It just looked too good. I don't know, the structure looks good. You have a 5 minute. I felt like it didn't need to tap it. Now if we get some sort of entry from here, should be good. Yeah, that's so obvious. Learn from the 15, has the resweep. No 1 minute inversion yet, but that displacement candle is just too obvious. Okay, let's just take to 1. 1 to 1. Ooh, close call. Break even there. Because we took out this intermediate. And then yeah, okay. Probably goes all the way down to here. Let's just see. Wow. Edges it a little bit. It gets stopped out. Okay. Well, it's basically a break even day. It's alright. Let's go to the next session. What day are we on now? Friday. Okay. Let's go. Let's get to 9:30. Alright, that's 9:30. Let's go daily time frame. We're still respecting the daily gap. Super choppy and weird. 4-hour chop sesh coming up. Tap this discounted. Oh, didn't even. Kind of edged it. Let's mark out right here. This looks, if we are bearish, this super obvious relatively low, unfilled 4-hour. I'm still delivering from this 4-hour technically. With the intermediate now, so if maybe like resweeps in here, and then we continue to be bearish from there. That's to be expected. Expecting this 1 hour. From that 1 hour, we should have like a 15-minute gap in here or something. No. Okay, looks a little choppy here, but learn from a 1 hour, and then from that 1 hour we got 5-minute inversion coming back down, probably about to take out all the intermediates right here, and then we just tap this 5. Okay, so wait for we'll market open. Okay, gonna take out the intermediate, probably take out the intermediate, even though we're respecting this daily right here. Still, I'm kind of a little bearish. It's just structure looks really clean for bears. We'd have to see something super obvious though. Resweep, bad candle close. If we get like a CSC right here, might take. Let's check like 3 minute. Unfilled 3 down here. Probably have a 5 too. Okay, unfilled 5 right here. So we have unfilled 5 minute. And then, let's see. Yeah, kind of just chopping up. Probably gonna open up 15. Let's just wait for that. Lines up with 10 a.m. open. Okay, there's 10 a.m. open. Unfilled 15 minute all the way down here. 10 a.m. opens right here. Dream scenario is open low, high close. Okay. We're just kind of pumping. Nothing you can do when you're pumping. Again. It's like, how many points? 64 points. It's super reachable. You know, the volume, I guess this month was just pretty low. Fake these days, that'd be like 200 points away, but we'd reach it still. Probably like a 30-minute chart open. Yep, 30-minute chart open. Just nothing. We're super premium. Yeah, just looks like a no trade day. Hourly there. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's go to next New York session. Oh yeah. Okay. So let's just hours, just delete, just get there. Oh shoot, I got past it, went past it. It's alright, we'll go next day. It's alright. That's on me. 7, 8, 15 minutes. 8:30, 8:45, 9, 9:15, 9:30. Sharp for you. Okay, let's have this be the last day. Let's just see. Buy side. Alright, intermediate, 4 hour. 4 is gonna open above. Barely tapped, delivering from 1 hour technically. 30 minute, 15 minute. Okay, honestly, market opens, tap this 15 minute, go lower. It's good to keep it that simple. It's honestly probably what's gonna happen. Looks very obvious. Just do that, bang, inversion to downside. I'm just taking it. It's so obvious. Okay, just give it another look. Okay, we're in a 5. 5's holding. Okay, resweep. We're gonna get a 15 minute inversion. We do. We inverse both. And we're technically delivering from 4, so never mind. Okay. Again, I do believe that 15 minute inversion to the upside is kind of doesn't mean much. If we get a 5 minute inversion, wow. Instead, we're gonna just not. We're gonna pump. Wow. Okay. We're holding here. Now we fully retrace. We tapped a 4 hour. Give us the 5 minute inversion. 5 minute inverse right here. You could take the inversion right here. But this is where I like to wait for some sort of like retrace. Yeah, see like this. 1 minute retrace, and then if we see like rejection from here, check if there's like a 3 minute gap. I think it's gonna open one, but that doesn't really matter. Yeah, like that. Because then for this, I just put my stop loss at top of this candle instead of having to like on the 5 minute. Because there's a chance if you take the 5 minute close, it just retraces all the way up before going down. I believe since it already tapped this 1 minute gap and then rejected, there's no need for it to continue up. So we're just gonna take that. Then we'll take it down to the bottom of this lower resistance, and then break even will be right here. We'll look like 2R market order. Let's wait. Not break even yet. Oh, holy chop. I did take it out, but I just don't think you go break even yet. Let's see. Oh, just wait. That was just such a mess. Yeah, it's a loss. Wow. Okay. That's just chopping conditions. You know, you have the 5 minute inversion, and then we just chop around for the next hour. That's okay. I think it's a bad one to end on. Let's do one more. So let's go and do one more real quick. $2 a.m., 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And oh, all right. I went a bit into open on accident. Sorry. It's all right. Inside of daily. Super bullish though. Gonna have an hourly soon. Tapping the 30 minute. From that 30 minute, go back up here. If we inverse 30 minute, take out this. Super simple. 15 minute tap, 5, 1. Okay. Let's see what happens. Take 5. Okay, 5 minute inversion. This 5 minute is coming from this 30 minute. Again, I really don't like just taking fresh 5 minutes like this. give me some sort of retrace, which we're not going to get. Just pumps. Takes out the intermediate. Take it higher. Now retraces. 5 minutes not sponsored. Do we have a, is it just hourly? Okay. 30-minute RB, if we want to tap that, that'd be cool. Okay, taps this. Resweeps the low, actually. It's not RB, but okay, this is like 10:46, like end of session. It's like last second plays. Resweep. Again, I think we should still be bullish. Okay, resweep. 10:52. This is like end of macro. Okay. Oh, I kind of like it. Oh, I kind of like it. Unfilled 15. No 3-minute. 1-minute inversion. Super bullish. Yeah. Bottom of this candle. And then 15-minute is like break even, so this could just honestly be a break even trade, but do we just go for 1-to-1? What else can we target? Range. Range high, range low. It's like right there. Okay. 1.4R. Being slightly greedy, but let's see. Okay, we're kind of in chop again. Edge the 15. Okay, we hit the 15, break even. Let's trail, honestly. Alright, let's just hope this 1 minute holds. Let's just trail here. Because honestly, I should just go with 1RR, but it should hit this. Trail like right here. Alright, bang. Okay, let's just end it there. End of the session. Not the most optimal curve for this time. 50%, 57% win rate. I don't know if that's kind of for break evens, but you know, could be a lot better. We were risking about, I think, 147 per trade. Yeah, we're kind of up and down. Just not ideal, but you know, there's a little session of me trading. Could be better, could be worse. You are in profit, but honestly, didn't look like the most optimal trading conditions. But if you want to see more, let me know.